Hello there! Using only this tiny little screwdriver, I can show you how to replace the light switch on a Mark III Ford Mondeo. Furthermore, this job only takes 5 minutes, including the 2 minutes and 38 seconds it took me to find the screwdriver. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, to remove the light switch, we need to get behind it, and the easiest way to do that is to first remove this storage bin. So, with the bin open as it is now, squeeze it in on both sides, and you will need to squeeze firmly. Squeezing releases that rubber stop there. See what I mean? And its counterpart on the other side, which enables the bin to move forward, like so, and then out. And with the bin removed, we now have an access hole here to get up there behind the light switch. We can now access this flap here. That's at the bottom of the light switch, and it can be squeezed upwards, like so. See that? And there's a second flap up here at the top of the switch that can be squeezed downwards. See that? So what we need to do now is grab both those flaps and squeeze them like so and hold. The light switch can now be moved forwards like so. And if we keep pulling, we will reveal an electrical connector, that thing there, and this connector needs to be removed. And this is why we need the small screwdriver. So use this screwdriver to push down this tiny tab on the electrical connector. Something like that will do. And then with a little bit of wiggling, try again. Nearly there. The light switch is free. As for fitting the new switch, simply reverse the process I've already shown you. So, pop on the electrical connector, like so. Slide the light switch back into the dashboard, like so. And finally, all we have to do is pop this storage bin back into position. Shall we check the switch is working? That's an encouraging start. And as if by magic, yes, we have headlamps as well. Now, did you notice that in the middle of this video, it suddenly turned into nighttime? That's because I had to unexpectedly drop tools and go out, which means I've only just got back to this now in the middle of the night. So, the job I told you earlier only takes 5 minutes has in fact taken 8 hours, 14 minutes and 9 seconds. Great. And that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, hopefully in daylight. Good night.